Hi students, problem number 11. A radio set of 60 watt runs for 50 hours. How much electrical energy is consumed? It is very simple problem based on the unit kilowatt hour. So we have studied the commercial unit of electrical energy is what? Kilowatt hour. Is it not? So we are going to use that only. It is having a power of 60 watt. It runs for 50 hours. So electrical energy, okay, the electrical energy is the product of electrical energy E is the product of power and time. So what must be the electrical energy is 60 watt, okay, multiplied by the time taken is 50 hour. So 6 5s are 30, followed by 2 zeros. The unit is watt into hour is what? Watt hour. Now in kilowatt hour means we have to divide this by 1000, is it not? So this is equal to 3 kilowatt hour. So the energy is now 3 units. You can also say this is equal to what? 3 commercial units. Okay. But you must remember 1 kilowatt hour in terms of joule. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. This conversion you must remember. You have to write again and again 5 to 10 times and you have to remember this. Okay. So 3 kilowatt hour must be equal to what? 3 into 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. So 3 into 3.6 is 10.8 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. Okay, therefore energy is equal to 10.8 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule. So this is how we have to approach this type of problems. First, like this you have to convert, okay, watt hour into kilowatt hour, then kilowatt hour into joule. Then after that, the cost of one unit will be given and one equipment only will be given. And for that one equipment like fridge or TV, how much is the cost we have to find out. Then you have to try for many number of equipments which are operated in the electric power. Okay. And you have to find the electricity bill for 1 month. We are going to do such problems. Before that, now let us try to solve the problem number 12. An electric heater is rated at 2 kilowatt. That means power is given as 2 kilowatt. What is the cost of using the heater for 3 hours? If 1 unit costs rupees 4. I told you no electricity bill calculation sums. So many devices will be given. You should not worry about it. But what is the initial stage? You have to take any one device and what is the cost for that you have to find out. Then slowly you step into the higher level problems. That also we are going to solve. Okay. Before that, what is the power? What is the power is equal to 2 kilowatt and the time taken. Okay. The time of working of this device is 3 hours. Therefore, what is the electrical energy is now equal to power into time. So, power is 2 kilowatt into 3 hours. Okay. So, that 2 into 3 is 6. So, 6 kilowatt hour. So, this is the energy. 6 kilowatt hour. If the cost of 1 unit is 4 rupees. Very simple, isn't it? For 1 unit 4 rupees means for 6 unit how much? 6 into 4, that's all. Okay. So cost of 1 unit or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to rupee 4. Therefore cost of 6 kilowatt hour is equal to 6 into 4 rupees. Okay, so this is equal to rupees 24. Understand? This is the answer. How much simple these type of problems are. You should have patience. So like this, next stage we are going to take a 2 or more number of devices, and the power of each device will be different. Like this, for each device you will have to calculate and add. Totally a month electricity bill can be generated. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.